Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can get Threads badge back on Instagram. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So let's begin. First of all, open up your Instagram application on your device and simply log in with your account. And after logging in, you will be redirected to its timeline page of your account. Now just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you can see that there's a Threads badge present right beneath my account bio. If I tap on it, you can see that it shows the number of people that are registered before me. You can see that I'm at 100 million position. If someone visits my profile on Instagram, they'll simply tap on this badge to access my Threads profile. You can also hide this badge if you want, but if you want to remove it, you can see that there's no way you can get this badge back on your profile. Till now, there's no way to get the badge back on your Instagram profile after removing it. You can see that it's a temporary feature, but it isn't re-redeemable. So that's how you can get Threads badge back on Instagram app. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.